Okay, so here we are at the Aguirre Springs campground by the Organ Mountains. This is BLM land. I don't know if it's a national monument or whatnot. So the mountains are in the backdrop there. So this little video is just going to show how this almost perfect campground is not quite so perfect. So you may have already seen it there. You can see the radiation pulses. I'm going to guess they're military radar since we're near the White Sands missile range. You'll see this thing spike up. Depending on where you stand, and oh, my chair fell over there. Sometimes I've seen much bigger pulses there. I'm running out of battery on this camera, but here we are, kind of in the middle of, you can't say nowhere, but the middle of not much civilization. There's no cell tower in sight. It has to be coming from the missile range. White Sands testing of some sort. So I've seen it spike up over to 0.1. Okay, so it's been much higher. There's 0.02, 0.02 again, 0.03. Yeah, so it's more frequent than my campsite last night. It's like every 5 seconds or something. Every 4 to 5 seconds. You know, that's just not healthy. So it reminds me of a story I read about children being less intelligent, quote unquote, or more rowdy, or just not normal when they grow up by airports, because you have airport radar, and also airport radar influences the local weather, microclimate. So that's another story. Yeah, so, but that's something I have some personal observations from. Yeah, so already the level is elevated by about 1.5 times. Again, on this meter it's about 10 times, but factoring a correction, it's about 1.5 times. But, you know, every 4 to 5 seconds there is a bigger pulse, more or less. Okay, and I think it varies by the time of day, because again, I've seen it much higher earlier today. I don't know if you can see that. So that little close up there, you can see the histogram. You can see the pulses on the histogram there. But yeah, I've seen it much higher. So anyways, that's all for this place. I'm going to spend a night here, and then I'm going to go west to Silver City. Maybe get a hotel, because I think it's going to be cold tomorrow. So tomorrow night anyways. Okay, that's it.